Providing awareness workshop services. From the Services menu, choose All Services tab and then click on it. Then click on Providing Awareness Workshops, where you can view the service details such as About the service, Steps to complete the service, User guide, or by watching this introductory video. For applying, click on Start Service. Select Customer Type, then select the training type. Fill in the required details. Choose from the available sessions, then click Next. Click the verification box. Then click Next. Press and drag the cursor to the point representing your satisfaction with the service. Then you will receive the reference number. An email and a text message on the phone will be sent to you immediately, confirming the successful submission of the request. Upon approval of the request, you will be notified by email and you will be contacted to coordinate the procedures for holding the workshop.